In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow emoticons in Microsoft Outlook. This guide will help you set up emoticons using Outlook's built-in autocorrect and symbol tools, so you can quickly insert smiley faces and other expressions while writing emails, making your messages more engaging and easier to personalize. To begin, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer and go to the File tab. From there, click on Options to open the Outlook Options window. This area contains all the main settings for customizing how Outlook works and behaves. Inside the Outlook Options window, look at the left-hand panel and select the Mail tab. This section controls how your emails are composed and formatted. Once inside the Mail settings, locate and click on Spelling and Autocorrect. This will open additional settings related to writing assistance and automatic corrections. Next, click on Autocorrect Options. A new dialog box will appear with various automatic text replacement settings. In this list, look for the emoticon entry that represents a smiley face, shown using characters like a colon, hyphen, and closing bracket. Once you find it, confirm the smiley emoticon is visible in the autocorrect dictionary. After verifying it, click OK, then click OK again to save and close the settings windows. Now go to the Home tab in Outlook and select New Email. A blank email window will open where you can compose a message. Click inside the message body where you normally type your email content. Next, move to the Insert tab at the top of the email window. From there, select Symbol and then choose More Symbols. A symbol dialog box will appear on the screen. In the Font drop-down menu, select Wingdings. Scroll through the available symbols until you find a smiley face icon. Select it and click Insert. The smiley emoticon will now appear in your email body. To make this emoticon easier to use in the future, highlight the inserted smiley face and return to the Symbol dialog box. Click the Autocorrect button. You will now see the symbol appear in the autocorrect field. In the Replace box, type a simple keyword such as smile, then click Add, followed by OK to confirm. Finally, close the symbol dialog box and test your setup. In a new email, type the word smile in your message body. You should now see it automatically convert into the smiley emoticon, confirming that your autocorrect setup is working correctly. And that's it. You've successfully enabled emoticons in Microsoft Outlook, making your emails more expressive and easier to personalize. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.